6:40. I'm like exhausted right now. One, because I probably didn't get enough sleep. But I do have a lot of things to do today, so I usually wake up this early so that I can get things done, especially if I'm gonna be editing all day. I like to wake up this early, at least for myself, to take some time in the morning. So this is your like motivation to wake up a little bit earlier. The only thing I can't do is waking up at 5 a.m. That's like so hard for me. That's like another level of like early. But 6 I can do, and it's not even like just 6. I woke up like 10 minutes ago. I can't wake up without scrolling on my phone, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just going on my phone. The fact that a dog can wake up at any time with you is just so funny.
The next thing I do in my morning routine is I like to open up all the blinds in the house, make sure all the lights are turned on. It's literally the best feeling, and it's what keeps me motivated in the morning.
Skincare, and usually in the morning I like to use just the Road skincare. Even at night I don't like to put too much on my face because some reason I break out if I don't stick to one thing, so that's why I stick to Road. But this is just the glazing milk. I stole Mel's blanket because mine are in the dryer and they are somehow not drying. Some tea. I like this Womankind organic tea. It's like for, I believe it's for hormones, but it just tastes like rose and cranberry. It's so good, so I'm just having that. Also, how cute is this mug? I got it from Target like a while back, and I got a blue one and a pink one for me and Caleb, and I'm obsessed with it. The sun is coming out so much more now, and I just love it. It's so cozy and it definitely wakes me up. But now I have to clean. For some reason I forgot to do the dishes last night, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm also gonna just like tidy up around the house, or just some things that I need to clean up. And we're gonna do some stretching. I made a little to-do list so that I'm not like lost and I can get everything done like super quickly, because if I don't have a to-do list I feel like I'm all over the place, or I just end up sitting on my couch and doing nothing, and that's not what we want to do today, because I actually have to do so much after this morning is over. But first thing I want to do is do some stretching or some sort of like Pilates, just because it wakes me up and my back's been like actually so bad, like it just hurts, so I definitely need to do something about that. And then I want to make breakfast. We really don't have much, so that's another thing on the list. I need to go grocery shopping. I do have some PR, so I want to give you guys kind of like a little haul. Pretty much it, because the rest of the day I'm probably going to be editing. Okay, here's the outfit I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from Aritzia, sports bra underneath, it's from Aloe, and then the shorts I'm wearing is from Lululemon. I just finished like this morning stretch that I found on YouTube, and usually when I do like my Pilates or anything I do it at home, and I just found a YouTube video, so I have the one that I use linked down below. It actually made me feel so much better. Like I definitely feel more awake, but at the same time I kind of feel asleep. Like what is that? Why? But I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I'm thinking about making oatmeal because that's like the only thing we have.
The time is currently wrong on our microwave, so don't mind that. Comments on that did not wake up at 4 a.m. Like been wrong because our power went out and we were gone. And so that's just been at that time. We haven't set any time on it. We don't really check the time on the microwave, so that's why we don't really care about that. I just realized we don't have eggs, so I was gonna make boiled egg. I guess we're just gonna have oatmeal. If you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know that I was obsessed with oatmeal at one point, and it kind of brings back memories from eating it for literally 2 years, and I don't know why, but I can't get used to it anymore. I used to like be obsessed with it. That's the only thing I ate for breakfast for like a year straight, 2 years, whatever. But for me, once I get used to something, I can't eat it again. But we're just having it because I have nothing else, and I exploded it somehow. I don't know how I did that. It went everywhere in the microwave, so I had to clean that. But anyways, we're just gonna have it. Basically getting ready now. I need to go to the grocery store, and getting ready, doing something for yourself, the best feeling. That's what we're gonna do. I also just want to get ready for the day so I don't have to worry about getting ready if I need to film anything else later in the day. But like I said earlier, I like to stick to one skincare product because my skin can break out really easily if I just do a bunch and then I don't know what's going on. So just like taking it slow with what product I'm using so that I can know what's breaking me out helps me a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with the Rhode Rich Face Concentrate. This is so good, and it actually makes my skin glow through the makeup. I don't like putting too much because I'm low-key running. I also got the Merit Great Skin Glow Serum, and I'm not sure if I like it. I'm gonna try it again. I feel like it can make my skin look so oily, so I don't know if this is like the perfect base. I know it says glow in the name, but like at the same time, it's just too much. But it does make my skin so soft. It's actually insane, like baby soft skin. I'm gonna go in with the Power 28 concealer. Before this, I used to use the Hourglass, and I was a big fan of it. And then I saw Power 28, and I wanted to try something different, and I'm in love with this, and I've been using this for a while now. Comment down below what's something that you can't go through your morning routine without. I feel like for me, it's getting ready, because if I don't get ready, I don't feel like the day started. I know that sounds kind of dramatic, but it doesn't even have to be a full makeup or anything. It could just be me doing my hair or just brushing my teeth. Like, I cannot go through a morning routine. It's like this crazy morning zoomies, and it's the funniest thing ever. Like whenever I go to the office, she's gonna run in circles around my computer. It's just so funny, and she can do it for a pretty long time if I kept going. I love this Merit foundation stick, and then the Fenty Beauty skin tint in the shade Eavesdrop. These two combined, so good. I get like really bad under eye circles because I don't sleep that much. Like I just struggle to fall asleep now. It just depends on my cycle. Like if I am about to get my period, which I know this is TMI on this channel, I literally don't care. I cannot fall asleep the week before, and like I'm a mess. I literally get so lazy. It's like, should be like that on my period, but on my period I have cramps and I want to do everything. Like, how is that even possible? But comment down below if you're the same way. I really want to change where my vanity is, and if you guys didn't know, I got this vanity from Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. Like, how beautiful is this? All my products are organized all over here, even though I'm using it all out of a makeup bag because I like to get ready in the bathroom, but when I'm filming I don't, because the lighting there is so bad on camera, but the lighting in person, it's just perfect for doing my makeup. And here it's better to be filming. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. Guys, I need to clean my makeup brushes. That's something that I want to do before I go on a spring break trip, which stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing like a pack and prep with me and just getting ready for the trip. I need to get my nails done. Like, guys, this is bad. I've literally had these nails on for 3 weeks now, and I don't even know how they're all on. One of them are gonna fall off, I can feel it. But this trip that we're going on is just like a small little getaway for like 6 nights, which is really gonna be nice. But it's for Caleb's birthday, and just to chill, because I feel like we haven't gone like on a trip in a while. Also, I just went in with the Too Faced bronzer. I love this bronzer so much, and can you guys tell I'm running out? I've been using it for so long. I used the Say one, but then I loved the powder more, so I got the Too Faced back. I literally used it since middle school. And then I've recently became obsessed with the Say powdered blush by the shade Grazy, and this is just amazing, guys. It stays on my face for so long, and I don't even have to worry about it coming off and having to put back blush, because I'm a blush girly. Like, I love blush. But I'm so excited for summer. I definitely want to do like a summer morning routine, so definitely stay tuned for that. I definitely wake up a lot later in the summer. Like, I just am more chill, but at the same time I'm not, because I still am filming videos and I have like things to do, things to film. I also try to be active on my TikTok, so there's like stuff that I do where I can't be sleeping in all day, but if I could, I probably would literally all day. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This stuff is my holy grail. I've been using this for so long, and I don't really have like really bad eyebrows, but I also pluck them terribly, so I just kind of fill it in, not like crazy, just the spots that are kind of bald or whatever. And then I love to use this for the freckles. purple, and then I just tap it with my fingers so that it's not like too unnatural. For mascara, I like to use the Lash Paradise. So comment down below if you guys have been liking this camera that I've been vlogging on. I changed it recently. I've been vlogging on it for like a month now, and I really want you guys' opinion because you guys are the ones watching. Definitely think that this camera is so much easier to like pick up and vlog, and I can film more. So that's kind of like a pro with this camera. And the other camera is like more wider angles, and like you guys can see like more. Okay, so here's the outfit that I chose. I feel like it's kind of chilly out, even though it's 72. I'm literally just used to the heat. But I decided to wear this long sleeve crop top, and it's from Lassens. I don't even remember buying it, but it's cute. I love the color of it. And then these shorts are from Abercrombie. Literally my only shorts that I wear every day, not gonna lie. I got some PR recently that I want to show you guys. I got this by Tatcha. I've never owned anything from Tatcha. And if you guys don't know, Tatcha is like a skincare brand. So I opened it up earlier, but guys, they sent me all of like the popular things that people buy, which is the Purify Rice Wash, the Dewy Skin Cream, the Sunscreen SPF, this like Skin Mist, and the Comfort Lips. And I am just obsessed. Like, I'm just so excited to use this. I wanted to use it today, but then I forgot to give you guys a PR haul. But like, guys, look how nice this is. I feel like it's just so expensive. That's why I haven't gotten my hands on it. So I'm really excited about trying this. This is what I've had my eye on for so long. Guys, this looks so good. I'm actually so excited. And then like the top part is like the spoon. I never thought they had a lip mask. How cute is this? It's so adorable. Thank you, Tatcha, for sending this to me. And then I got this package, Urban Decay. Look at how cool this packaging is. Like, you're kidding. And then there's like this little wrapping paper. It's insane. Basically what these are, they're just like eyeshadow liquid shimmers, and that's definitely not how you say it, but I'll probably be giving this to you guys as PR because this is not something that I would like use a lot, and I just don't want it to be sitting. I want somebody to actually use it. So if you're not already subscribed, all of this is my PR that I'm gonna be giving out when I hit 1 million. So make sure to subscribe because I have so many. Obviously this tape's not gonna go to the PR. All of this stuff be sent out, including this. So yeah, I'm really excited. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I also got some Bloom energy drink. That is much needed. Anyways, we're all ready to go to the grocery store, so let's go. Guys, we have a fridge now, so we can get a lot of stuff. POV, you always forget to bring a bag or something. It's always a risk with the eggs and everything.